Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your clutch on your drift trike. First, you're going to need a 13mm wrench and then a 13mm socket. And you need to loosen your motor mount bolts, all 4 of them, and then slide the motor forward. And then you're gonna make sure you get the chain all loose. Also, you need to come back here and there's 2 adjuster screws for your motor mounts. And you want to screw those back. Screw them out. That way you can slide the motor. Okay, so now that you have the motor loosened up and moved back, you're gonna wanna. This is how I take my chains off. You just pull it to your right hand side like this, and spin the wheels backwards, and keep applying pressure until it comes off of the sprocket, like so. And then you just spin it, and it'll come right loose. You'll keep the chain off the sprocket, and then you need a 12mm. Socket with an extension. You're gonna come in here and put it on this nut right here. Just pop that one out, and then the clutch should just come right off. And then from there, you take your new clutch. There's a groove on this shaft that you need to line up with the inner groove of inside there. It's a little key, lock key right there. And then also there's 2 Allen keys right here that you need to loosen up before you put it on. Okay, now that you've loosened these Allen keys on this, you're gonna just put it on there and kind of guide it onto the shaft. And then you're gonna take your bolt and your washer, put it right back on, same way it came off. Alright, so you're going to want to take your Allen key and put it in the back side of this clutch. And there's little Allen keys that you loosened up, and you're going to want to retighten those. And, okay, now that I'm tightening the last one up, I just wanted to let you know, I find it easy. If you can't, you're not going to be able to just turn this because it spins, so you either need to put a socket on the end of this and spin it, or you can grab the pull start cable and you can pull it until the shaft turns around to where you can see the Allen heads, and then you just stick your Allen key in there and tighten them down, both of them. There's only 2, but make sure you tighten those down so your clutch doesn't go flying. Alright, now that you've put that on, just slide your chain onto your clutch, and then feed it over onto your sprocket like so, and then just spin it back like this. Like that until it guides on there, and then you're going to want to pull your motor back and adjust your tension to your motor to the specs of your model. And you're going to want to turn these set screws back up till they're touching your block of your motor, that way that your motor doesn't move back. And you want to tighten these. These are, let me see. These are 13mm as well. Just want to tighten them down real good. And you want to come over here and check your chain tension. It's good. Make sure your pulley's nice and tight. Your clutch, and then you're good to go.